Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add another saving account on Capitec app. So, Capitec allows you to create multiple saving accounts called saving accounts or goal accounts directly in the app. Unlock the app with your PIN or biometric like fingerprint or Face ID. From the home screen, tap Savings and this may appear as saving account or goal savings. You'll see a list of your existing saving accounts. At the top or bottom of the saving screen, tap plus add saving account or create saving account or create new goal. You will see options like a standard saving, goal saving, investment saving if available. Choose the type you want. Now simply name your new saving account. You'll be asked to enter a name for the new saving account, example holiday fund, car saving or much more or anything else. Now enter the target amount, it's optional. Set a completion date, that is optional, and this will help you track your progress. Tap create or save to finalize and your new saving account appears in the list with your other accounts. Now important notes, you can have multiple saving accounts at once. Saving accounts are linked to your main Capitec account. You can set auto saving rules, it's optional. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.